Are you looking? Demand for high-performance oven toasters has surged as home cooking continues to trend upward. Whether you're a casual home chef or a kitchen gadget enthusiast, oven toasters offer space-saving convenience and multifunctionality. From air frying and baking to toasting and grilling, today's models cater to both health-conscious eaters and tech-savvy cooks. In this guide, we evaluate the best oven toaster models based on cooking functions, build quality, capacity, ease of use, and overall value. List number: Breville BOV900 BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro and Convection Oven. The Breville BOV900 BSS is the gold standard of oven toasters, with 13 cooking functions, including air fry, dehydrate, roast, and pizza. It delivers unmatched versatility. Its Element IQ system uses 6 independent quartz elements for precise heat distribution, ideal for everything from toast to a full roast chicken. The brushed stainless steel finish is sleek, and the large interior fits a 9-slice toast or a 14-pound turkey. It also includes super convection technology, reducing cooking time while enhancing crispness. While it's on the pricier side, it's worth every penny for advanced home cooks. Pros: spacious, fast, even cooking. Cons: large footprint and higher price. List number: Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven with Grill. 1800W 8-in-1. Cuisinart's 8-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven brings excellent cooking performance at a mid-range price point. It combines air frying, baking, convection baking, broiling, warming, toasting, and grilling into a single unit. With 1800 watts of power, it preheats quickly and maintains consistent heat, while the non-stick interior and adjustable thermostat make it user-friendly. Its built-in grill plate is a bonus for indoor barbecue lovers. The design feels solid and durable, though the exterior can get hot during extended use. Pros: versatile functions, high-power grill feature. Cons: slightly bulky and lacks digital interface. List 3. Infrared Heating Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Extra Large Countertop 10-in-1 Combo. If you're looking for an extra-large, all-in-one countertop appliance, this 10-in-1 infrared toaster oven is a solid pick. It fits 6 slices of toast or a 12-inch pizza, ideal for families. The infrared heating technology allows faster cooking without preheating, and the combination of convection baking, air frying, dehydrating, and roasting covers all cooking needs. It also features intuitive digital controls and presets, making it easy for beginners. However, due to its size, it may dominate your counter space. Pros: quick heat, large capacity, multifunctional. Cons: takes up space, plastic trim feels less premium. List number: Ninja Flip Toaster Oven and Air Fryer. 8-in-1 with flip-away design. The Ninja Flip Oven stands out with its clever flip-away design, saving counter space when not in use. It boasts 8 cooking functions including air fry, bake, toast, and reheat, all in a sleek, compact footprint. The air fry basket and wire rack provide excellent crisping for fries and chicken wings. Despite its compact size, it accommodates a 13-inch pizza and offers quick 60-second preheat. While it's not ideal for very large meals, its storage-friendly design makes it a favorite for small kitchens and apartments. Pros: space-saving flip design, fast cooking, stylish. Cons: smaller capacity, no rotisserie. List number 5. Breville BOV45XL Mini Smart Countertop Oven. Brushed stainless steel, perfect for singles or couples. The Breville BOV45XL is a compact powerhouse. With 4 quartz heating elements and Element IQ technology, it delivers precise heat where needed. It comes with 8 cooking presets and fits 4 slices of toast or an 11-inch pizza. The brushed stainless steel body adds a premium touch to small kitchens, while the LCD display keeps things simple. It's not ideal for big meals, but it's unbeatable for quick snacks or small dishes. Pros: compact, efficient, smart heating. Cons: limited capacity, no air fry mode.